Hello children, welcome back. Let us start. 7th class, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Second chapter, Telangana state syllabus. So before going to that, a small proverb as usual. The proverb says, still waters run deep. Still means for children. Stand still, we will say. That means without any movement. Calm water. Always, if the water is calm, it will not have means it will be very deep. If it is deep, it will be calm. Example is sea only. When you go to the seashore, you can see the waves running and running. You'll be playing with them. Continuous flow of sea waves will be there. Enjoying the place there, you people will be enjoying. But if it happens to you, if you go deep into the sea, if you have a voyage in the sea with the help of a ship, when you go deep into the sea, you will observe that the sea will be just, it appears as if a road is laid around it, provided the weather conditions should be suitable. There should not be any wind, there should not be any storm, there should not be any rain. In that condition, the weather is very calm, so sea will be very calm. So at that condition, if you see the sea, it just looks like a road. You feel like to go and walk upon it. It's so smooth. But why is it smooth, children? Because it has got lot of depth. So the one which is having lot of depth will be stand still. Means it will not move. Just like that, your mind works. If your thought process is very deep, if you are deeply involving in thinking some topic, then definitely you will be concentrating upon it and you will get the treasure of knowledge out of it. Instead of this, when you are thinking about that, if some disturbance occurs to you, somebody talks or some song you heard, something, some picture you have seen, if you take care, means if you are allowing your mind to wander like that, the concept will not be clear to you. Immediately the waves will start coming into your mind. Instead of that, let any disturbance occur around me. I need to concentrate on it. I have to study this. I have to learn this content. If you have that concentration, then no sound will affect your children. Your mind will not be wavery. When your mind is not wavery, then definitely your knowledge will be in depth. Your content knowledge will be in depth and you will have a good result from it. Come back to our topic, children. The topic here is I'm doing this page 37, exercise 3 I am doing. Textbook page 37, exercise 3. Up to third problem I have done, children. Now I am going to do fourth problem. These are all word problems. It starts like this. Rehana walks to 1/2 hours. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem for you. Rehana works to 1/2 hours each day on her embroidery. Maybe she is having that boutique shop and she is working upon the embroidery. 2.5 hours every day she works in it. She completes the work in 7 days. In 7 days she is completing that. How many hours did she take to complete her work? What is the time taken? It is actually number of hours per day. Number of hours worked per day. How many, children? 2 1/2 hours. And how many number of days taken? Number of days taken. to complete the work. Number of days taken to complete the work is 7 days. So, what is the question, children? How many hours? So, number of hours taken. Number of hours taken to complete the work. How will you get, children, this? You have to take 7 and multiplied by 2, 1 by 2. 1 day, 2.5 hours. 7 days, how many hours? That is the statement. If you want to write, you write the statement. 1 day, 2, 1 by 2 hours. 7 days, how many hours? This is the statement we will be getting. So, 7 into 2, 1 by 2. So, how much you will be getting? 7 into 2 to 4, 1, 5 by 2. This 7 into 5 by 2, children, that is 35 by 2. So, when you take 35 and divide it by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1, 5, 2 sevens are 14, 1. So, what you will be getting? 17 to 1 by 2. 17, 1 by 2 hours. This is your answer. So, she takes 17, 1 by 2 hours to complete this job. Copy this, children. Next, we will go to the fifth problem. The fifth problem is dealing with a truck runs 8 kilometers. So, let me talk about it. A truck runs 18 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. By taking 1 liter of petrol, the truck is running 8 kilometers. How much distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? This is the question. How much distance? So, 1 liter of petrol, distance travelled in 1 liter. Distance travelled in 1 liter. In 1 liter. How much, children? It has travelled 8 kilometers. So, what is the petrol? How much petrol is there? 10 2 by 3 liters. So, distance travelled in 10 2 by 3 liters is equal to how much? This is the question. How will you get, children? 10 2 by 3 into 8. That means 30. 32 by 3 into 8. That is 8 2s are 16, 24, 25, 256 by 3. You will be getting 256 by 3 means divide this 256. 3 8s are 24, 1, 6, 3 5s are 15, 1. So, how much you will be getting? 85, 1 by 3 kilometers. This much distance the truck moves in with the liters of 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Please copy it. Now, we will go to the next problem. That is sixth problem in the next page. 38. What is the sixth problem says? Raja walks 1 by 2 meters. It goes on like this. So let me talk about this. Raja walks 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? So be careful, children, while doing this. 1 second. So distance walked in distance walked in 1 second is equal to 1 by 2 meters. That means 3 by 2 meters. Now the question is distance walked in how much? 15 minutes is how much? So children, this is seconds and this is minutes. You cannot solve this problem either until and unless either you convert seconds into minutes or minutes into seconds. That means the total problem should have the same units. So it is convenient to convert minutes into seconds. 15 into, we know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So 15 into the 60 means 15 6 are how much, children? 90. 900 seconds. Okay, so what you will be doing this, children? For 15 minutes means 900 seconds, how much? So what you will be doing? 900 into 3 by 2. That means 900 into 3 by 2, 2700 by 2. Okay, so what is this 2700 by 2, children? The distance travelled is how much they have given? The distance travelled walks once in 1 second. He has travelled 1 by 2 meters. That is 3 by 2 meters. And how much distance it has covered in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes means you are getting it like this. Either you do like this, children, otherwise you can do one thing. 902 you can divide it. If you have the habit, this is very easy for you, children. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0. If you can cancel like this, 3 zeros are 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 1 13. 13 1350 meters. Sorry, it is the distance that it has covered now. 1350 meters the individual has covered in 15 minutes. So in this problem, the main task for you is convert 15 minutes into seconds. We know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. 15 into 60, 900 seconds. So 900 into 3 by 2. So either you do 900 into 3, 2700 by 2, or in a simple way, you can cancel these two. So I have cancelled and I wrote the distance travelled by him is 1350. That is 1350 meters he has travelled. So write on this, children. Now we will be doing the next part. We'll be doing the next part of this problem, children. This we have done about sixth one. Now you are having only one problem left behind. That is the seventh one. Seventh one is not a big problem, children. It is very small. You have to only fill in the blank type. It is. That is, provide the number. The seventh one is provide Provide the number in the box. First bit, you have got 2 by 3 into, you have got a box is equal to 20 by 21. So you have to write the number in the box. See children, 2 into some number is 20 here. So what is this number? We know that if you want this number, what you have to do children? You have to divide 20 by 2. That is 10. So some number, if you consider it as x, what is this x children? X is equal to 10. So in the numerator you will be writing 10 by denominator again 3 into some number is 21. So x is equal to 21 by 3 children, 3 sevens are, so 7 here. So 10 by 7 is your answer for this problem. Okay, 2 tens are 20, 3 sevens are 21. You have got it as same. Now you go for the second one. 5 by 7 into, you have got a block here, by 5 is equal to 3 by dash. So let us see the numerator. 5 into the block means some x you take, that is equal to 3. So what is this x children? 5 into some number is 3. What is the x here you will be getting? 3 by 5. So numerator is 3 by 5 and the denominator 7 into 5. How much children? 7 into 5 is 35. So you will be getting 35 here. But you see children here, you have got 3 means what you have to write here? 3 by 5. So I feel this should be in case if the problem is corrected as 5 into dash is equal to 30, 7, this into is here, by 5 is equal to dash. I think it should be like this children. If you have 3, if in the problem, if 3 is given, we can't help, you have to write 3 by 5 here. But actually this type of problems you will be getting in the division which we have not yet started. So I feel that the problem should be 30. If that is 30, 5 into x is 30, no? X is 30 by 5, that is 6. So you will be getting 6 here and 7 5s are 35 here. Maybe the problem might have missed the 0 in the print, I think so children. So go through it. If you have 0, do this way. If you don't have 0, you do in that way. Sometimes in the prints you may have different. In my tab I did not get 0. So you go through your textbook children. If you have that 0, you can consider this as the solution. If you don't have 0, this is the solution. So I hope you have followed this children. With this, I am going to stop my class. I will be doing the next part in the next class or next video. First once you go through it and copy it children. Yeah.